Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X3 brake lights. Replacing a brake light on your BMW X3 is a straightforward task that you can easily accomplish at home with just a few basic tools. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to testing the new light, making sure you feel confident and prepared. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tools and parts. You'll need a replacement brake light bulb, often a P21W type, which you can find at most auto parts stores. Make sure to have a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool handy for gentle prying. A small ratchet with an 8mm or 10mm socket will also be essential for removing fasteners. And remember, always use a clean cloth or gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from shortening its lifespan. Now, let's get to the actual replacement process. First, open your trunk and locate the small access panel directly behind the brake light assembly. Carefully pry this panel open with your trim tool. Next, you'll see an electrical connector. Disconnect it by pressing the small tab and pulling. Then, use your 8mm or 10mm socket to unscrew the 2 or 3 retaining nuts. Gently pull the entire light assembly straight out. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to remove the old bulb. Insert the new one, and twist clockwise to secure it. Once the new bulb is in, it's time to test everything. Reconnect the electrical connector and carefully push the light assembly back into its housing. Secure it with the 2 or 3 retaining nuts, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Then, close the access panel until it clicks firmly into place. The most important step is to have a friend or family member press the brake pedal while you observe the new light to ensure it illuminates properly. This simple check confirms your successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.